Good afternoon, Bridgewater families. This is Mrs. Antoine. Big news today is the roundabout open. Finally, yay! I'm so happy about that. Thanks again for all your patience. I know it's been inconvenient for many of us, and but I'm glad that it's going to be a safer route for everyone, especially that crossing at Jefferson Parkway and 246. We needed that one to be safer. So thank you so much for your patience on that. We're going to try to get some of our other activities done this year, like our Veterans Day Assembly, Bus Driver Appreciation Breakfast. I'm still going to try to plan to do something for Grandparents' Day as well. Obviously, we can't have the guests in the building, but we're going to see what we can do to make sure that our grandparents and our bus drivers and our veterans feel honored all the same. So hang tight with that. Fall conferences, those are going to be done a little differently this year as well. Since we already met in the fall, the normal time that we had allotted for those isn't going to be necessary. So the teachers are going to complete their conference report, and then they're going to send those home, and then they'll set up a time to either Zoom or have a phone call with you for about a 10-minute period so that teachers can touch base with you. You can provide some information as well, and I will get you that time frame coming up very, very, very soon. So keep in mind that those things will still take place, but they will be a little different than usual. Thank goodness we're still able to be in person. I'm so happy about that. Right now we don't have any cases of COVID at Bridgewater. So again, I'm happy about that. And in our district, we're not seeing a spread from student to student. So that's also a good thing. So hopefully we can continue to mask up and stay in person. Again, your kids are doing such a great job with wearing masks. Love it when they come and ask for one in the morning, especially if they've forgotten. Again, this is not a time that we're ridiculing kids, not that we do anyway, but this isn't a time when we blame kids. We just bring them in and get them a mask. We've had so many wonderful volunteers that have made them for our students, and that's what we use them for. So it's not a matter of, like I said, blame and shame is not in place on that. We just get your child a mask and send them on their way. So we have a volunteer that's coming by even this afternoon to donate 500 masks for our students. So again, we're so appreciative for those, and we know how they can be forgotten, but thank goodness things are working out with that. We have our new head custodian that started this week. So Roger Helgeson is our head custodian. Very happy to have him on board with us. He's doing a fantastic job, really doing a nice job of connecting with the students and with the staff as well. The weather turned really cold really quickly and hadn't expected all the snow this week. It's been really tough, especially with the cars and the buses mixing. So we're going to try a couple little things differently this afternoon to try to get some of the cars out and gone before the buses come in. But there is no changes needed on your part whatsoever. It's what we're going to do in-house. So thank you very much. And again, it's really crucial that you're not leaving like a 2-car gap in front of you when you're on Jefferson Parkway or in our parking lot. Tighten up to that next car, and so that we can get those buses up in the bus loop. Because as soon as we can get those buses up in the bus loop, get them loaded and out of the way, then I know that I can come help out with the front pickup area as well. So thank you for your help with that. It has been a challenge, and yet we're gonna make this work. I promise you we'll make this work. Morning time, when you drop off in the morning, I find that's one of my happier times of the day. I don't know what it is. I guess it's the seeing you with your kids. It really is a pleasant time for me. And even if it's raining or snowing, we're going to make that work, and we're going to keep things positive, because that's the way we have to start our mornings. We can't start our mornings out grumpy. At least I can't. I don't start my days that way. So I guess you get to put up with me and my happiness help in the morning. So again, things have gone really, really well, and appreciate all your help with that. Again, if we can try to get the kids here before 8:20 in the morning, because then they're not late for class, that would be very helpful. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I'm looking forward to maybe having a couple warmer days down the road here. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.